Yes, I'm here in the bush where I get the medicinal herbs that's used in treating different kinds of diseases. For instance, here, this one now I'm holding. Let me get it. This one, as you can see it, you can see this one now. You can see this one. It is called Uvaria Chamae. In our Igbo language, we used to call it Odag. Odag. You can see Odag, you know. And in English language, you refer it as banana bush or bush banana, anyone you call it. So you can see here, what is it used for? It is basically used for treating diabetes mellitus. Are you getting me? Bronchitis, abdominal pain, and most importantly, is used for treating wound healing. You know, the as you can see, this is it. Call it odag. Smells like oda. That's why they call it odag in our local dialect. So that is it. Used to treat diabetes, used to treat bronchitis, used to treat abdominal pain, wound healing, and other related infectious diseases, especially the roots and the leaves. So this is it, basically. Thank you very much.